At Otis Instruments, safety while handling our products is a top priority. We offer a 3-day, hands-on, complete product technical in-person training course of all current purchasable Gen 1, Gen 2, Toxin, and Cube products to the distributors and end users of Otis products. Our in-person product training courses are conveniently held at the corporate Otis Instruments office in Bryan, Texas. Additionally, Otis offers remote training programs from anywhere around the globe, allowing users to become certified to calibrate and install Otis Instruments products. Our courses are aimed to educate both supervisors and personnel and properly train them in equipment usage, performance, maintenance, and performing light repairs. For upcoming training course dates, standardized pricing, and other necessary details, please visit otisinstruments.com.